Paris Air Show is one of the most important events for the entire aviation industry. So having a dedicated area for UAM only reinforces how this market is growing at a quick pace. From a program management standpoint, will be a good opportunity to share how our development is progressing to such a qualified audience. Eve will have an outstanding presence at the air mobility area, but more than that, we will share important milestones to reach entry into service in 2026. Explore the future with us at Paris Air Show.